Hey guys, so I was looking for a stock to add to my portfolio. I wanted to add a stock to my watch list, a penny stock. So I came across this uh, insurance stock. It is called Mutual Benefit Assurance. I think it's an insurance company. So let's do a short technical analysis on it and let's see if it is worth buying. From what I'm even saying now, it's a good stock. The trend is rising, so we're on the monthly time frame. Let me switch to the weekly time frame to get a better view of the chart. Wow, just look at it. Wow. Okay okay so I'll just pick my tool and map out some valid valid zone. Okay, there's a valid zone. The I don't think the stock will pull back to that zone. Let me map up this zone also. Yeah, I think it will pull back to that particular zone. I don't think it's coming down all the way to this zone. I think it will pull back to this particular zone and then it will start going up. That's what I think anyway. Let me check the daily time frame. So this is how the daily time frame look like. It's a bit rough, but I think we can still see it. So what I'm saying is that the stock might pull back to this zone and then start coming up. Yeah, I think this is what happened. So I think a good entry position will be somewhere here, around 535 naira. It's currently at 575. So I think a good zone is 540. Yeah, I think this is a good zone to buy. So this is my Bamboo app. This is the mutual benefit stock I was talking about. So I want to buy some quantity now. Limit order. Oh, sorry, I could not buy it because the money in my account is not up to 5,000. So I'll probably fund it and then try again later.